Hello guys, welcome to the ram24.com YouTube channel. My name is Vadim and today I will comment and you will watch the video how to disassemble the LG Q7. It also has a second name, Q610. The assembly has the second difficulty or middle rating in our difficulty classification and will be disassembled by detaching the back cover. Now we take a thin piece of plastic and start to disassemble. We heated the back cover up to 70 Celsius degree or 158 degree Fahrenheit. Spray some isopropyl alcohol. The back cover is plastic, so you can bend it a little. For disassembly we will use different tools, which in where I will talk in more detail during the disassembly process. We passed along the edge, and apparently the smartphone has never been in repair before us or been disassembled, and you know guys, it's pretty rare for our videos, and lucky we. Yes, we are, because this model is 2070 and it is almost 5 years old. Be careful around the camera and do not push the tool too deep inside. It's impressive design. It's a fingerprint sensor on the back cover and the spring contacts on the motherboard, so the contacts are tightly pressed against each other because the back cover is glued in the middle. We remove the adhesive tape. It is partially damaged and we need a new one to use. As I said, the cover is impressive, glued along the edge and has 3 adhesive spots in the center. If you want to remove the cover, you need a long tool, and most likely it's good to heat the back cover up. Let's move on. Now we take a crosshead screwdriver or a Phillips 1.5mm or H30, and first unscrew that one screw that is different from everyone else. Put it aside. Remember the location in the phone so as not to confuse anything during assembly. Now we start to unscrew the screws. And now we can take out the SIM tray, which is made for SIM cards or for 2 SIM cards or a SIM card and a memory card. We continue to unscrew the screws. Now we disconnect the middle cover. As you can see, there are many antennas tracks and an NFC tag on this cover. Disconnect the battery connector with a plastic tool. Right now we need to disconnect the connectors to remove the motherboard. The front camera cannot be completely removed because it is firmly fixed inside the display model frame, so you just need to disconnect the connector and bend the camera's cable, bend it in opposite side. We disconnect the display model connector and the charging port connector. Bend the cables to the opposite sides. Look at what holds the printed circuit board. And we have nothing holding it, so we can take the motherboard out. On the opposite side we have the main or rear camera. Disconnect connector and remove the camera. Now, to remove the loudspeaker assembly, we need to unscrew one screw, and we use the same Phillips 1.5mm screwdriver. Now we remove the bracket and take the assembly of the loudspeaker and a charging port out. And again, another unusual solution for the flat cable that located along the entire lower part. In the display model frame we have a vibration motor, an earpiece speaker, cable for side buttons, headphone jack port, and a battery BLT39 for 3000 mAh. Carefully remove the camera So now we're done. Thank you for watching. It was a pleasure to comment this video for you guys. And guys, you remember the drill: watch, like or dislike, subscribe, comment, and take care of yourself.
Hi guys, thank you for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe, share, rate us, and see you in the next video.